Have you been struggling with your stubborn belly fat? Probably you tried out diets that left you starving, or you tried out workouts that drained your energy. But the truth is, you do not need extreme measures to reduce your belly fat. Welcome to Heal and Rise with Hilda, your transformational genomic wellness consultant. And today on this video, I am here to share with you three powerful science-backed tips to help reduce your belly fat naturally without starving you or without killing yourself. Tip number one, balance your blood sugar, don't crash it. What do I mean by this statement? Normally, belly fat is strongly linked with blood sugar spikes and crashes. So this happens when we skip meals or we eat a lot of refined carbohydrates. For example, white bread, pastries, a lot of sugary drinks. This all increases our insulin and this will promote the fat storage, especially around our belly area. So what's the solution for this? Try to start your meals with fiber and protein. That means, for example, eating eggs along with veggies or lentils along with salad before consuming your plate of rice. So meaning, in short, start eating fiber and protein before taking carbohydrates. If you follow this, this will help you to keep your insulin in check and you wouldn't have a spike or a crash which we normally have when we take carbohydrate as the first thing in our food. And also, small steady meals will help keep the energy and the fat storage low. Tip number two, prioritize movement over punishing workouts. What do I mean by this? Many of us think that we need a lot of hours in the gym, but this results in high stress. Also, with overtraining, this can result in more cortisol level and more belly fat. So what's the simple solution that we can have movement yet do not punish ourselves? Try to start with moderate workouts, meaning 30 minutes of brisk walk every day, or you can try yoga or Pilates or body weight strengthening exercises. So the focus here is on consistency, meaning I need to do this every day, not over intensity. So also there's a bonus tip here. Try to do a 10-minute walk, especially after your lunch and after your dinner. Notice I mentioned after lunch and after dinner. I didn't give an option saying either lunch or either dinner. If you start doing this 10-minute walk after your lunch or dinner, this will help to improve your digestion and keep your insulin and fat metabolism steady in your body. Tip number three, sleep and stress management. This is your major fat loss hack. So, normally poor sleep and constant stress in your body will keep your cortisol levels very high and the body will hold this into your belly fat area. So what's the best solution for our sleep and stress management? As much as possible, try to get 7 to 8 hours of rest every night. Also, you can practice deep breathing as we mentioned in our previous videos and also gratitude journaling before bed. What does this habit do? This will help you to unwind and to get off the stress of your mind before you sleep. When you do gratitude journaling, you actually start to pen down from around 3 things to 10 things of all the things that you have been grateful for during the day that has occurred. It can be as small as your beautiful time with your child that you enjoyed, or your gratitude for your work, for your life, for the food that you eat, for the house that you have where you stay. So being grateful for the small things that has happened during the day will help you to unwind and also declutter your mind and help you to relax, and you will be able to sleep healthy. Also, this short daily stress relief rituals will help you to lower your cortisol levels in your body, and this will boost up your fat loss naturally. So, let's remember balancing our blood sugar spikes, moving consistently, and managing our sleep and stress. These are three most powerful tips that we can use to help start reducing our belly fat. Also remember, the buildup of belly fat has not occurred over a day or two or a month. This has occurred over a period of time. So we must give time for our body to also, as we work on these three tips, that we give the body time to let the fat loss go gradually rather than having it in an instant. So instead, try these three lifestyle hacks, and these will be more effective than you starving yourself or killing yourself at the gym when you don't like to do something. Also, which tip will you be using? Comment in the comment section below. If you found this video powerful and helpful for you, do share it with a friend or a family who you think might benefit from this video. And you can also click on the link below if you would like to start your personalized journey with health and wellness, as I would love to be of assistance to you. Follow us, like us, and do subscribe to the channel for more such powerful educational videos that is yet to come in the future. We will see each other in the next video.